All right, so this is the 6 month follow up on the Herman Miller Embody Chair. You can check my feed to find the original videos, maybe the follow up regarding the headrest. But there was a couple hiccups along the way. This is actually my third Herman Miller chair. The first one I had after about a month, the little fabric lining underneath the seat tensioner, it came loose. And there was a real sharp metal bar that was poking me in the back of the leg. It seemed like a kind of bad design. But after reaching out to Herman Miller, they eventually did replace the chair. They do their white glove treatment where they send a guy in a truck with a box to your house. They take the old chair, and most importantly, they give you your new chair right then. But unfortunately, that chair appeared to be a remanufactured, repaired chair, and the left armrest just began falling immediately. You'd be working and basically fall out the chair. So I inspected a little bit more. I could see a couple scuff marks and actually a little bit of glue. So I think most likely they had taken the chair back and replaced it or repaired it and sent it back out. That time it took probably about a month to get the second replacement. Again, working with one individual, kind of conveying the messages to the service team. But they did send one out, and this time I was reassured that it would be a brand new chair, and it did look like it when it came in. So since then, it's probably been about 3 months, I think, the timing, and everything seems to be going great. I still love the chair. The headrest isn't as useful as I thought it would be. You can't really tension it that much to use it. And keep in mind, this is not a Herman Miller product. That's a Atlas. That's a aftermarket thing that they don't warranty. So if you do send your chair back, make sure you take that off because they won't like that. But yeah, I love the chair. It's great. No other issues. Hopefully it stays, working just as good as it is. And they made it right. Was it a hassle? Was it to have some hassle to it? Yeah, it did have a little bit of hassle. Get the chairs replaced. But in the end, I have a good, fully functioning chair, and I'm happy. So kudos to Herman Miller's, warranty, technical support, sales team. They made it right. So there you go. Thank you.